This is probably the only thing that I suggest that every single person buys. Well, assuming that you are in the US or you have a US company. This is the complete tax guide. It is everything that you need to know, like very tactical about everything on running your business, how you should document what you can and cannot deduct, and like laws to know. This is amazing. And it's what, like $13 or something, $13 to $20. It is a no-brainer buy if you're going to operate, not even just on Amazon, like literally any business in the US. And I have studied tax. I've read like all the IRS documents, and I've also done tax accounting and done my own accounting. But this, I still learned a crazy amount, and I go back to this for literally anytime I have a tax question, I go to it. It's the complete guide on everything you need to know, because there's a lot to know about taxes. So I suggest that everybody goes and gets this. Just go show you a quick preview of what's in here. In total, it's 282 pages. They talk about forming your business entities, like what type to choose, your S corporation, basically why not to have an S corporation or why you should, when it actually makes sense. We've covered some of this content, but this is where it lays it out really in depth, how you go about electing S Corp, setting up accountable plans when you're running an S Corp, which is basically there's certain ways that if you're going to travel and whatnot, or do some other types of expenses, you actually need to do it personally and then send a reimbursement check to yourself, and like paying for healthcare. If you're going to get vehicles for your company, how you're going to go do accounting like that, what type of entity needs to hold that. Also, they have tax deductions and fringe benefits. Talk about doing your home office deduction, putting your kids on the payroll. If you have kids, you can pay them tax-free up to a certain amount. Talk about healthcare, retirement, setting up your 401ks. I mean, like literally everything here, even selling your business, and then just other interesting and important things to know about your S Corp. So this is the complete guide on S Corps and LLCs, and I suggest that everybody buys it. And this is probably the only time I've ever suggested that everybody buys something. And if it's not the only time, it's one of the only. So like I said, this is a very rare endorsement where I suggest that everybody gets it that has a business in the United States. So go ahead and check it out down there and let me know what you guys think of it. Oh, I forgot to say one thing. They're funny. A funny accountant. They use really funny examples, so it's actually not a boring, dry read either. So hope you guys enjoy it.